Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is "Drunk Woman Keeps Calling 911 Over AT&T Bill." Man, come on now, AT&T ain't worth it like that now. Come on, man.
On June 23, 2023, officers responded to a 911 call from a woman complaining about her phone bill.
And if you can't confirm it with him, fine. Don't change her.
You're still on the phone?
Don't sit there and say you don't know what the f I'm talking about when you haven't
Yes,
even
we are.
asked him.
She can hang up. We're 10-12.
10-4.
Hi. Okay.
You guys are back.
Yeah, we're back.
It's pretty much the same thing.
12:08.
I don't know what you guys are expecting differently, but like, literally, when a corporate office does a crime, you guys don't give a. You guys only care when it's someone like me in a little residential house. Yet I'm telling you. And
now it's my turn to talk.
I'm telling you that I know for a fact that that other place in St. Lucie West is you.
I guarantee before they even get started, I guarantee it's probably a civil matter. Cops ain't got nothing to do with that, man. And you can't keep blowing them up about some AT&T bill. Like, talk about misuse of 911 services. You hear me? Like, they got better things to do.
Fake social security numbers. And
I'm
you don't
telling
even
you,
care.
stop calling us about this AT&T stuff.
I'm not calling you. I'm calling AT&T.
You were just on the phone with dispatch. Stop calling 911.
Do you want to see the fact that I'm calling AT&T? They're who I'm on the phone with?
You were just on the phone with their dispatch, okay?
I was on the phone with AT&T, and they said they'd call you guys.
I'm giving you this chance. Stop calling dispatch. Stop calling 911 about AT&T, okay?
I'm not
This is not.
911.
You just were on the phone with dispatch.
I was on the phone with AT&T. You can see it.
Okay, if you call dispatch again, you are going to be placed under arrest for misuse of 911.
What happens if AT&T calls dispatch, not me?
Well, it's not you.
This is the problem with the like. What happens if it's not me?
Then it's not you. We can see you calling in.
Okay, then you can see it wasn't
You were
me
just on the phone. I'm not going to debate this. You call 911 again. You call 911 again. You're going to be placed under arrest.
Before you're yelling at someone.
Not again.
What the fuck I look like?
And my back.
Wait, hold on. I want to look at the time. Look, wait, hold on. We're at 16:43. I want to look at the time it was when he walked away. 16:43, 16:41. This is the same. I thought it was like maybe, he left a while ago, you know what I'm saying? And then he came back. And because she called again, so I'm thinking maybe it's like an hour difference or something, but this is all the same, the same scenario. So let's go.
You're yelling at someone. What the fuck I look like?
And my back.
I'm not calling 911.
Stop. Don't.
You said if I called 911.
Don't. Stop.
You said if I called 911, I would be under arrest, but I'm not calling 911. I'm calling AT&T. How am I under arrest?
Let's use 911.
I didn't call 911.
You did though.
I didn't.
Don't turn around.
I didn't call 911.
Stop. Stop.
No. I didn't call 911.
You're slipping your hands out of the handcuffs. Stop.
That's your fault because you can't do it right. That's not my fault.
Ooh.
I called 911. You said if I called AT&T, it would be a problem. And I didn't call AT&T, so what is the problem?
You're adding another charge.
What's the problem, sir? What is the problem?
Blakely, calm down. Just calm.
No, they said I
It's
would
okay.
be charged.
It's okay.
Shut
Stop.
up. They
Just
said
calm
I would
down.
be charged if I called AT&T.
Just relax and let them
911
deal.
and I didn't.
Just calm down.
You need to stop
Let's
and
relax.
relax. You're
It's
adding
you're the
charges.
Blakely,
shit.
just stop.
It's
Just
not
stop.
me.
Just stop. Just stop. Don't add more charges. Stop.
She's gonna slip out of this one.
Just stop.
Company overcharging
Just-
me.
We'll deal with this. Just relax.
Let go of me.
Stop. Stop. Just relax.
You said I would be charged if I called.
How's this brother dealing with this nut job, man? Come on, man. She calling 911. He didn't. Why is he stepping in now? But where he been at? Like, stop. He should have been telling her, yo, why you calling 911 about AT&T? Like, come on, like, come on. Can we get it together here? But she is a nut job, man. I ain't gonna lie. She is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. You hear me?
Blakely, just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Don't add more charges. Stop.
She's gonna slip
Just stop.
I don't know.
Just, we'll deal with this. Just relax.
They're overcharging you.
Stop. Just relax.
You said I would be charged if I called 911, and I didn't. So you're gonna be sued because you can see in my phone records I didn't call 911
Stand up.
ever again. So you're gonna be sued. I hope you want to lose your job.
1208 PSI.
1208.
1015. Adult female.
Imagine her reaching out to a lawyer and explaining this. The lawyer gonna look at
You
her
really
like,
just like arrest people whenever you say don't call the cops and they don't, and then you still arrest them?
Your ID.
Like, how is that something that's cool? I didn't call the cops. How am I arrested?
November X-ray Quebec Romeo 95 and XQ on 95. Review it.
and no shoes on? Come on, man.
300 block.
Nasty work.
Hi. So she called 911 3 times about her AT&T bill. We told her it's not a police matter initially.
It's supposed to be AT&T matter.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. I just had to deal with AT&T today. Took me 2 seconds. I've arrested her before.
Oh, I bet. Because
When she's sober, she's the sweetest person in the world.
690, just
yeah, she is.
690.
What's up?
Y'all think my boy cracking that?
Exception, I got it. Okay. Great day.
So she's
How am I being arrested for something I didn't do? You said I had to call the cops to be
did.
arrested.
You did.
I didn't.
Okay.
I called AT&T. You can look at it.
It's not up for debate. Man.
No, you said I would be arrested if I called
bond
the
out
cops.
today. I already told you.
So you're a liar.
I'm not a liar.
No, you said he
Alright,
said
so-
I would be arrested if I called the cops again, and I didn't call them again. I
So
didn't.
she's gonna pat you down. Do you have anything on you?
I know, but I didn't do anything. I'm not giving out. I didn't
Okay.
do anything. No, brother.
Nope.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.